Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, Mercedes-Benz. This is the car here. Okay, we have a headlight problem. The headlight is cracked. Water get into it. The module is messed up. Let me see what year model is this car is. Okay. Is it the C300 C205? You must have internet. I believe 2018-19. We have a headlight. We're gonna explain to you. This car have left side headlight and right side headlight, and LED circle with the signal. Let me see if I make signal. You see there, the rear signal is working, the front one is not working. This one here is work. I programmed it. You see there, behind that car is working. But he said check left low beam. All I need is I'm gonna do auto scan. I wanna scan the whole car, and then from there we're gonna work on a couple items. We need there is something called SW right side, SW left side head unit, and also we have another. We have 2 units, 3 units for actually in this car. The housing is 1 unit. The left side or the right side have 2 computers inside. One is responsible for LED and one is responsible for the headlight. Communication with the left headlamp range adjustment missing. Communication failure with the right headlamp range adjustment missing. Store event code, store event, those are stored. Okay, do you have any other code? Communication with the seat heater. Okay, here we have a problem here. The output of the side marker lamp, this is the right side. The CAN bus has malfunction. Right front LED exterior lighting actuation module fault, open circuit. The power supply is too low. Input circuitry has malfunction. There is a short. The output side marker. This all on the right side. What is about the left side? SWS left side, calibration of the vehicle level not performed. Left front LED exterior light actuator module fault. Temperature communication failure with the right headlamp range adjustment. Okay, I need to look for those codes. I don't need that one. Left headlamp calibration, left front LED exterior. Okay, let me just go back. SWS. Okay, let me escape here. No, quick erase. Calibration, left headlamp, left LED exterior lighting actuation module fault, open. Yeah, left front LED exterior lighting actuation. Temperature. Left front LED lamp unit, no fault. 1 point LIN AMP L2 left front pass no LED lamp unit actuation is good. Right headlamp pass. Left front LED lamp unit actuation control. You see here we have this one, we have a fault here. We see 17, this is good, 17.1, 17 point LIN AMLAP left front no response. Okay, if there is no response, information, hardware number 222, but this one is working. I don't want this one. Left front LED lamp. Right headlamp. This one pass. This is no response.
I don't like those kind of funeral, okay. Okay, funeral is very rare. When you go to the funeral, when you go to the cemetery, they tell you, they let you sing for a few minutes and pray whatever prayer you have to pray. And then they
How are you?
They run you up the cemetery. And then when you look
Left front LED lamp unit actuation control.
You don't see what they're doing. They don't know if they take anybody and eating it or whatever. Morning.
Okay. Left front LED. Yes.
Look, one of my cousins here, my family here, they need a key.
Okay.
Key.
Okay. I just hear her say Muhammad and then he say Raymond.
Who?
She was saying Muhammad and then she said Raymond.
Yeah, because she was calling my phone, but I'm on a long distance call.
That's true.
So she come to you. She know you do the key.
Okay, hold on, just 2 minutes. I'm coming out.
He said 2 minutes. He said,
What year is that? What year is that?
What year is it now? 2008 Sequoia? 2008 Sequoia.
Okay, let me.
2006 Sequoia.
Okay, let me go back. Let me
Okay,
go.
I'm on a long distance call. So. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah, so Oh yeah? Okay. Okay, okay. And yeah, so what we're gonna do, some people taking care of somebody come and taking care of drinks, and we have to taking care of drinks, and then this evening I have to make it shopping, that they're gonna send them cook out there, they say a lot of people do there. So we're gonna get you some money this evening, and we're gonna send them two already next week. Full stop. Yeah, so they call Spray Deal, and Spray Deal said they send it next week. Gonna reach I think 20 something.
Let me see which one I have to do it.
Yeah, so Spray Deal say if we send it now, something
Let's see which one.
Yeah. And then,
Lamin.
1 hour for money.
Lamin?
Then we're gonna send the money for her. And she's gonna get out. Yeah.